We talked before about materials that are frequently reused across curriculum units. Google put out a new feature that could potentially change how we look at this work and how it goes into our curriculum units. The new feature is called Shortcuts. For context, we might think about having the shared curriculum resources that bridge the grade levels or materials that programs reuse. For example, the Holocaust Remembrance or Veterans Day. These can be then put in a centralized location, potentially something like the Curriculum Writer folder. Then, from there, you're going to add a shortcut to the originals in the grade level folders for them to use. This will look like the folders are actually in their grade level curriculum folders, but it references back to the originals every time. I'm going to demonstrate using the 5th grade curriculum ancillary materials folder, and then I'm also going to show how to do an individual document as well. So when I come into this folder and I find the Women's History Day, then I can right click on this to see add shortcut to drive. Notice it's the same icon that used to say add to drive, and it would put a folder or a file into your drive. And so it works very similarly, but it's going to look a little different when you get it where you want it to go. I'm going to go ahead and select that, and then I'm going to go to my starred folder. For my starred folder, I'm going to select my Curriculum Writer Information folder, and I'm going to add the shortcut. From there, I can go to my starred folder, go to Curriculum Writer Information folder, and here are my shortcuts. I played with a couple so you could see examples of how it worked. For example, if I click on Ancillary Materials, it's going to open up that 5th grade Ancillary Materials folder with all of the different resources in it. Note that just because it says add to my drive, we can organize this wherever we want it to go and move the shortcut where it is needed. So again, I can take that same folder and move that folder from the starred resources by going to Move To. And it also means that the hyperlinks in the curriculum units would be going to the original same file. So when you make a change or add resources, it's updated across the board for everyone. So what does that look like for an individual document? When I click in here, I can do the same action, but this time I come down, add shortcut to drive, and again, in my shared resources, I can add the shortcut to that document. As I said, this was a brand new feature and something I hadn't seen before, so I was kind of rethinking how that conversation before about how we were going to manage some of those different things, and I wanted to give you an opportunity to actually see that in action, what it looks like and how we can utilize it. If you want more info, just reach out and I'm glad to help you. Have a great day. Bye.